Hello people, welcome back to an episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another skincare video today. And what we are going to do is, this video is completely dedicated to just one skincare brand and one category in particular, and what I am talking about is Earth Rhythm ke moisturizers. And we are going to be reviewing these two moisturizers in detail, and the best thing is they both are under 500 rupees. I am going to tell you what I think about both of these, and yeah, without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So Earth Rhythm is a skincare wellness kind of brand, and these are the first two skincare products that I am using from them. The first one I have is Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide moisturizer, deep moisturizer, and the second one is Earth Rhythm Phyto Repair moisturizer. Now both of these are under 500 rupees. They are plastic neutral, they are 100% vegetarian, they are cruelty free, and everything good that you would expect. Now if you see the packaging, they are very easy to carry around with you because they come in tube packaging. It is a squeezy tube, so very easy to take out the products. Packaging wise, I would definitely give it a 10 on 10. The feel of the packaging is not very plasticky because it says it's plastic neutral, so it's not very plasticky and it doesn't feel cheap at all. In fact, the opening, the cap is also not very flimsy. They are made up of good material is what I feel. So packaging wise, definitely a 10 on 10. Now when I'm talking about moisturizers, let's talk one by one. That would make it more convenient, I think. This is Phytoceramide moisturizer, which has 6 essential ceramides, and it says it provides 24-hour hydration. Now I am going to spend my whole day with you using this moisturizer, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. I have started with my morning routine where I have done my normal skincare like toner and everything, and then I am going to top it up with this one. The usage instruction says that you can use it at AM or PM as a moisturizing cream after cleansing and toning and applying all your serum. So you take a sufficient quantity of product and massage it into your face until it is fully absorbed. So I am going to do that. I do that exactly every morning. If you see, mine is like, right now my skin is going through quite a lot. You see, there's a lot of acne going on, there's a lot of sensitivity, redness on my face, and for that a ceramide based moisturizer is absolutely the right product. Ceramides has so many benefits, like it is great for anti-aging, it is great for acne prone skin. So this is working the best for me at this stage where my skin is like going through quite a bit. I would also like to talk about the ingredients. This has glycerin as their second ingredient. This has a lot of ceramides in it, like it has ceramide 1, ceramide 2, ceramide 3, 4, 5, not 5, 6. It has shea butter, it has Graciana indica seed, and all the great ingredients that you would expect in a moisturizer. Since it has shea butter, so it is like really deeply moisturizing. I apply it morning, और फिर मैं इसके साथ workout करूँ, walks पे जाऊँ, कुछ भी करूँ, applied it on my face. मैं sweat करती हूँ, but this still provides me with that hydration. After the full day, when I feel my skin really feels plump and hydrated. And while we are talking about a moisturizer, we definitely need to talk about its texture. The texture is definitely very lightweight. Once it is absorbed into your skin, you don't feel really anything. But thickness wise, it is a little thick. When you take it and you try to massage it into your face, it will take you a few seconds, but I think it is completely fine because anyways अगर आपकी face massage हो रहा है तो आपका blood circulation बढ़ता है face पे, and that just helps with the glow. So this is great. People with skin like me, like combination sensitive skin, I think this works really well. Dry skin के लिए भी मुझे लगता है ये काफी अच्छा होगा because ये थोड़ा सा heavy है, but after it get absorbed, you don't really feel the heaviness. Coming up to the second moisturizer that I want to talk about is this one right here. This is again Phyto Repair 0.2% active retinol. It has peptides. It is great for anti-aging and it is also great for barrier repair. Now if you see, this has like 0.2% active retinol. But before discussing ingredients, I want to tell you about the texture of it. Again, this is like more lightweight compared to the other one. This is like really lightweight and absorbs into your skin very quickly, and you can see it also gives a little bit of glow to your skin. So that's that. The moisturizer is very lightweight, but since this has retinol in it, I prefer using it at night time because daytime में retinol is not very good thing to do बिकॉज सन के साथ एक्सपोज होके इट कैन एक्चुअली डैमेज योर स्किन. तो रात को लगाओगे तो सही है, बट अगर आप रेटिनॉल यूज कर रहे हो मेक श्योर यू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन. डू नॉट स्किप सनस्क्रीन इवन इफ यू हैव अप्लाइड इट एट नाइट. मॉर्निंग में आपको सनस्क्रीन लगा के ही बाहर निकलना है. नाउ कमिंग टू द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द रेटिनॉल, इट हैज 0.2% एक्टिव रेटिनॉल. आपको जनरली रेटिनॉल 0.1 से लेके 1% तक मिलेगा फेस मॉइस्चराइजर्स में. So what kind of retinol you should be using is like depends on your skin type. Like mine is sensitive skin, and people who are starting with retinol or beginning with retinol, I think 0.1, 0.2 is a good percentage of retinol that you can start with. ये आपके स्किन के साथ रिएक्ट भी नहीं करेगा, प्लस एट द सेम टाइम इट विल गिव यू दैट बैरियर सपोर्ट. उसके अलावा हमें पता है रेटिनॉल इज ग्रेट एंटी एजिंग प्रोडक्ट. इट इज परफेक्ट फॉर वर्किंग ऑन स्माइल लाइन्स, फाइन लाइन्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. रिंकल्स वगैरह के लिए ये काफी अच्छा है. इट कैन स्मूथ आउट योर रिंकल्स if you use it consistently. The key here is using these moisturizers consistently to see the results. So now after testing everything and coming back to it, if I have to rate these two moisturizers, I think both of them get a 10 on 10. They both are extremely lightweight. They both work great for my acne prone sensitive skin. It is not very oily. Once I have applied it, they really get absorbed into your skin very quickly and keeps me hydrated for really long. So I think it's a 10 on 10. अगर आप लोग interested हो इन moisturizers में तो मैंने लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ दिया, आप लोग जाके चेक कर सकते हो and buy them because they're both under 500 rupees. So great price. And that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below. I'll be so happy to do it. Kindly subscribe to the channel. That gives me the motivation to keep working more and more for you guys. Until next time, take care. Ta-da.